Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people around the world: cancer. It's a word that often brings with it a lot of fear and uncertainty. But you know, I believe in the power of knowledge. When we understand something better, we feel less afraid. Here are 5 surprising facts about cancer that you should know. Let's get started. First up, did you know that cancer isn't just one disease? It's kind of a catch-all term, right? In fact, there are over 100 different types of cancer, each affecting different parts of the body. Think about it. We're talking about this incredibly complex system that is the human body. And within that system, you have all these different types of cells, each with their own specific job to do. So, when we talk about cancer, we're really talking about what happens when those cells stop behaving the way they should. They start to grow and divide uncontrollably, and that's when things can go haywire. From breast cancer to lung cancer, leukemia to lymphoma, each type is unique. Each has its own set of causes, its own symptoms, and importantly, its own specific treatments. It's about recognizing that each type of cancer is its own distinct entity, requiring a tailored approach to both prevention and treatment. This one might seem obvious, right? Early detection saves lives. We hear it all the time. But it's worth repeating because it's just that important. The earlier you catch cancer, the better your chances of beating it. It's as simple as that. See, when cancer is detected early, it's often still localized, meaning it hasn't had the chance to spread to other parts of the body. This makes it much easier to treat effectively. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to put out a fire. If you catch it when it's just a small flame, you've got a much better chance of extinguishing it quickly, right? But if you let that flame grow into a raging inferno, well, it becomes much harder to control. Regular screenings are like your fire alarms. They're there to catch those early warning signs, those small flames, before they have a chance to grow into something much more serious. So, don't skip those checkups. Lifestyle plays a major role. This is the one that often makes people feel a little bit, well, maybe a little bit guilty. Because the truth is, our lifestyle choices play a huge role in our overall health, and that includes our risk of developing cancer. But hey, it's not about guilt-tripping anyone, all right? It's about empowerment. Because here's the thing. We have more control over our health than we often realize. Up to 1/3 of cancer cases could be prevented through simple lifestyle changes. That's huge. And it's a powerful reminder that we're not just passive bystanders when it comes to our health. We have agency. So, what kind of lifestyle changes are we talking about? Well, it's the stuff you've heard before, but it's worth repeating. Diet plays a crucial role. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can make a world of difference. And of course, we can't talk about cancer prevention without talking about smoking. Not all tumors are cancerous. Here's something that might surprise you. Not all tumors are cancerous. We tend to think of tumors as being inherently bad, but that's not always the case. Tumors can be either benign or malignant. Benign tumors are like the friendly neighbors of the tumor world. They're non-cancerous and usually don't spread to other parts of the body. They're like that houseplant you keep forgetting to water. It might not be thriving, but it's not exactly taking over your apartment either. Malignant tumors, on the other hand, are the ones we need to watch out for. These are the cancerous tumors that have the potential to invade nearby tissues and spread throughout the body. Now, just because a tumor is benign doesn't mean you should ignore it. It's still important to monitor it and seek medical advice if necessary. Cancer treatment is evolving. And finally, let's end on a note of hope, shall we? Because despite all the challenges, despite the complexities of cancer, there is always hope. And that hope is fueled by the incredible advancements being made in cancer treatment. The field is constantly evolving, with new therapies and technologies emerging all the time. One of the most promising areas of research is immunotherapy. This revolutionary approach harnesses the power of the body's own immune system to fight cancer. It's like giving your immune cells a special set of instructions, teaching them to recognize and target cancer cells with laser-like precision. With ongoing research and innovation, the fight against cancer is stronger than ever. That's the promise of personalized medicine. A message of hope and action. Cancer is a complex and challenging disease, but with knowledge and awareness, we can make a difference. From understanding the importance of early detection to making healthier lifestyle choices, there's a lot we can do to reduce our risk and support those who are battling this disease. Remember, knowledge is power. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to InfoMinds for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and take care.